Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we discuss how to drive manual transmission on EV cars. Have you ever driven a manual transmission car? The feeling of shifting gears and being in full control is indescribable. It adds an undeniable thrill to the driving experience. But what if I told you that you can experience that exhilaration in an electric vehicle? That's right, Toyota has introduced manual transmission for EVs, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. When I first heard about the manual transmission option for EVs, I was skeptical. I mean, who needs a manual transmission in an electric car, right? But then I got behind the wheel of a Toyota EV with a manual transmission, and let me tell you, it completely changed my perspective. The first thing I noticed was the instant torque. With electric motors, you get all the power right from the start. It made acceleration feel incredibly smooth and responsive. And when it was time to shift gears, the precise control of the manual transmission added a whole new level of excitement. Not only did it enhance the driving experience, but it also improved the range. With the manual transmission, I had more control over how the power was delivered, allowing me to maximize efficiency and get the most out of every charge. But it wasn't just about practicality. There was something about the physical connection with the car that made the whole experience more engaging. It brought back memories of driving my first manual transmission car and the sense of accomplishment that came with mastering the art of shifting gears. So, if you're looking for an electric vehicle that will ignite your passion for driving, I highly recommend trying out a Toyota with a manual transmission. Trust me, the thrill is irresistible. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.